Hey, what's up, friends? I'm here because I want to do a little bit of an unboxing of sorts for a pretty cool biohacking tool, which many of you might already be aware of, but this is the new version of the Oura Ring, version 2.0. There she is. Anybody familiar with the original Oura Ring will notice this is considerably thinner and smaller. It doesn't look like a Green Lantern ring. There were two different shapes you could choose from on the new version of the ring. The Balance, which has a point on the top, and the Heritage, which is this one. It's a bit flatter on the top. I went with the Heritage. For those of you unfamiliar with the Oura Ring, you'll notice some interesting hardware on the inside of the ring. And that's because this ring can be used to track your daily activity and your sleep cycles. This is the most accurate consumer version of a sleep tracking device you're going to find on the market currently, at least in my experience, and that's why I use it. And it measures everything from heart rate variability to body temperature, motion. So it's a fantastic and very accurate way to track your sleep cycles, to figure out if your CNS is burned out and maybe you want to take it easy at the gym that day. A lot of insightful data you can pull from this little ring. And before we jump into the redesigned charging station for this ring, I have to mention they have a beautiful app in the App Store that allows you to track and view all of your data from the ring, which is great. So a quick look at the redesigned charging station for the Oura Ring. Ring drops right on, wireless charging. The other end plugs into a USB. Takes about 20 to 80 minutes to get a full charge, and once fully charged, this ring will last you for an entire week. It really is a fantastic tool, guys. It's waterproof. There's a bunch of third-party app integrations that have come out for this version as well, such as integrations with meditation apps, specifically Kevin Rose's Oak meditation app, which is fantastic. So that's it for the little unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Any of you who were on the fence about this Oura Ring, hopefully this helps you out. Personally, I think it's one of the best investments you can make in your biohacking toolkit. I use it religiously, daily. It's a phenomenal product.